Here is the third and final part for Etude 1. Starting at the pickups to 35, let's talk about the notes first. We have E and C sharp. Get comfortable with how that feels in the left hand. And then we shift up, third position, G and E. So get comfortable with that shift. First position, E and C sharp, to third. And then we have F sharp and D. I like to use third finger on the G string, playing the note D, and then first finger on that F sharp. Then we're gonna have B and D, open D, and first finger for me on that note B, okay? Because we're already in that second position. So for example, measure 42. That's the way I'm gonna play it. If you want, you can go back to first position with second finger. Whatever is comfortable for you. Now let's talk about the bowing technique. We see ricochet. What is ricochet? It is a bouncy bowing technique. Here are 3 steps for ricochet bowing. Step 1, find the bouncy part of your bow. It's going to be towards the middle, where you have that natural bounce. Definitely not the frog, and not too much at the tip. We can't control it very well there. Step 2, make sure your arm is at the appropriate level. Since we're going to be on the G and D string, your elbow should be at this level, not way down here and not way up there. Step 3, using the open G and D string, we're going to control the bounce. Let's try to get 4 bounces on a down bow. Notice you can't come too high from the air. Bring the bow closer to the string. Let's do 4 down and 1 up. And finally, we add the notes. Now we're at measure 47. Arpeggio down. Make sure we get that good C sharp on the G string. Then we've seen this before. Again, that bowing, you can get it real nice and solid using the practice rhythms and focus on the string changes. All right, 53, I have 2 options for you. The first, so our index finger immediately goes to that E, our anchor, and we have A, E, down to third position, C sharp, A. Okay, again. And option 2, we kind of stay in position. Still index finger on that E. But now we cross over to the A string for that C sharp. Again. You're going to have to cross back to the E string for that open E. And then down to first position. One last time. can try out both fingerings and figure out which one is going to be more comfortable for you. It's all different for everybody. Then 54, same. Now we have C natural. Watch out for that. And then there I shift to fourth position. So we're at measure 57. Second half of the measure, that B, first finger, then 4, 2, 4, 3. And we're in position for the next measure. One last time, 57. So now 58, we have, don't release the fourth finger, stay in that position on that E, and then on the A string we have F sharp, G, F sharp, 2, 3, 2. Then shift down to second position, first finger on that F sharp. Then 59, we shift up, first finger on G sharp, and third finger on F sharp on the E string. So we'll have G sharp, A, G sharp, and the third finger just stays down. Then down to third position, right? G sharp, A, G sharp, 1, 2, 1. And third finger stays on the F sharp. Down, back to first position. And for the last measure, I'm going to do a retrace. Down, up, up, down. I want that last to be very stern and very precise. And if we're in the upper half of the bow, I don't get that same effect. So I'm gonna do a retrace so I can be in the lower half of the bow. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Good luck. See you next time.